So, hi everyone, I'm Dhana, and that's my mentee Leslie. Actually, why don't you come up? Do you have a computer? So, when I first met Leslie, she said that she wanted to do 3D animation, and I can tell you that my first thought was, oh my god, I don't know anything about 3D animation. But through a lot of, determination, a lot of trial and error, she actually came up with a project that we're both really proud to show you all.
Hello, my name is Leslie Garcia Sanchez. I am in 8th grade, and this year, as part of my magic project, I learned 3D animation. My magic mentor this year was Dhana. Dhana is an engineer at SurveyMonkey. SurveyMonkey is an online software tool company that creates surveys for other people to use. Dhana also loves to travel. This is a picture from the day we both went to SurveyMonkey together. There, I was able to demo my project to other engineers and receive input from them. Why and how I got started learning animation. I wanted to learn animation because I wanted to create something that I could show to an audience, such as the films you would see at Pixar. The program that I used for animating is Alice 3. It comes with tutorials on how to get started on projects. Alice 3 is created using Java and is a relatively old program. The Java syntax is displayed on the side. It is used by a lot of beginning animators to create simple stories. Alice 3 is also similar to other programs that I have used before. For example, it uses most of the key concepts of a software such as while loops, if-else statements, and other things. This made it a good program to start with animation. These are some old examples of my earlier programs with Alice 3. They involve simple but key features of the film, such as placing objects, figuring out rotation, and making characters walk realistically. This served as the basis for my final animation that I created. For my final project, I started by creating a storyboard that outlined what I wanted my film to be. The storyboard was separated into about 9 different scenes, each individual scenes that were later compressed into about 5. There were some things that stayed consistent throughout the film, such as the fog effect, which helped to make it look like it was underwater. I learned how to make things look like they were swaying by adjusting the movement only by a little bit. Besides movements, the characters had to walk realistically and move naturally. I accomplished this by studying other videos such as turtles moving through sand and other walking videos. It was a bit difficult because animals don't have the same joints as humans do. Another key feature of the film was adding audio. Adding audio was probably one of the most challenging parts of the film. I had to learn how to time the music and make sure that it fit into the film. How does animation work? Animation is the process in which various frames are joined together to create a moving picture. Animation was done by hand in the past. People had to draw each individual scene and display them quickly so it would look like it was moving. You can think of it sort of as a flip book. Now, thanks to more advanced technology, the film industry animations are made using CGI. CGI stands for computer-generated imagery. Film producers use it to enhance and add scenes and props that do not exist in real life. As you can see in the picture at right, it fills in most of the complicated set parts. An example of an important piece of code in Alice is walking. This took us a while to create because you had to be so precise. In animation, you can't tell the computer to just start walking. You have to manipulate each individual joint. Here you can see how the shoulders and the hips are individually manipulated. This created a tedious but rewarding final product. Along my magical journey, I learned some very important lessons. I learned that trial and error is a crucial part to my improvement and mistakes are a form of motivation. I also learned that resilience and determination are what help to move projects forward. I learned that perseverance and determination can help greatly with projects like this. And all of these helped me to undergo a successful final film. Now I will be premiering a part of the film. And if you would like to see the end of it, you can stop by my table.
Teaser.